Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3. 8 or newer is installed. You need a working interpreter. Once done, open Vscode and add the Jupyter and Python extensions so notebooks render and kernels run. Create or open a project folder, then make and activate a virtual environment. This isolates packages and avoids conflicts. Make sure to select that interpreter in the Vscode status bar. These first steps set up a reproducible kernel and let you focus on writing cells, not fixing environment issues. You create a new IPEN file using the command palette or file menu, and then choose a kernel. This ties execution to your virtual environment. Once the kernel is selected, you can run cells with Shift+Enter or the play buttons. Make sure to install libraries into the active environment so imports succeed at runtime. For example, pip install pandas or conda install scipy. If you need to switch kernels later, use the kernel picker. This keeps dependencies consistent and prevents import errors while iterating on code. You run and iterate on cells using interactive plots and the variable viewer to inspect state. This speeds up experimentation. Once done, use run by line or the built-in debugger to step through failing cells and find logic issues. Make sure to export results as HTML, PDF, or PyScript for sharing and reproducibility, and commit notebooks to version control with clear checkpoints. Troubleshooting tip: if kernels fail to start, restart Vscode, confirm the interpreter path, and reinstall the Jupyter package in that environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.